Hello guys, I am Messaoud, and today we have new tutorial how to install and use the bestpack 4K CC in Adobe After Effects. First, open the link in the description and download my pack CC. And don't worry, it's completely free, just follow me step by step. Go to the Adobe After Effects in the desktop and right-click and choose Open File Location, and search for folder name presets and open it. Next, open the folder pack CC you downloaded and copy all the files and back to the folder presets and paste all the files. Now, open Adobe After Effects and I will show you how to use it. First, drag your video to your timeline. After that, head to the right to Effects and Presets. If you don't find it, go to the top option name window and make sure you select Effects and Presets. Now go back and search for all CC which we have installed, as you see now. What should you do is to try your favorite CC and drag it to the timeline your video. In the end, I hope that the explanation was very easy and understandable. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video with your friends for more tutorials. Thank you, and may God protect you.